We're not giving a nuclear weapon to terrorist thugs, and we're knocking the hell out of them. Their Navy's gone, their Air Force is gone, their leaders are gone, their anti-aircraft is gone.
We hold the cards. We have objectives. Those objectives are clear. We can hold anything at issue. Anything. The United States military controls the fate of that country.
Breaking military developments in the Middle East. United States Air Force B-52H Stratofortress bombers have been deployed to Royal Air Force Station Fairfield in the United Kingdom, preparing for potential long-range strike operations targeting Iranian missile infrastructure and strategic military positions. This deployment represents a major increase in American air power in the region and signals a strong military posture aimed at maintaining stability and deterring threats in the Strait of Hormuz and surrounding areas. From engine inspections and weapons loading to transatlantic refueling and precision strike planning, every detail of this operation shows the scale and capability of modern American strategic bombers. Here is how the B-52 mission unfolds. Section 1. RAF Fairfield Strategic Bomber Base. At Royal Air Force Station Fairfield in the United Kingdom, preparations for long-range bomber operations are taking place around the clock. RAF Fairfield has long served as a forward operating base for U.S. strategic bombers in Europe. Its long runway and secure infrastructure make it ideal for heavy aircraft like the B-52 Stratofortress. Ground crews move continuously across the flight line, inspecting aircraft systems, preparing weapons, and ensuring every bomber is ready for rapid deployment. The presence of B-52 bombers at Fairfield is not routine. It is a strategic signal, a signal that the United States is ready to project power across long distances and respond quickly to regional threats. Section 2. Preparing the B-52 bombers. Each B-52 bomber undergoes a detailed technical inspection before any mission. Mechanics examine the 8 Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines, checking turbine blades, fuel lines, and airflow systems. Engine panels are opened and carefully inspected for any sign of wear or damage. Hydraulic systems, electrical components, and flight control surfaces are also tested. Every system must perform perfectly because once the bomber is airborne, there's no room for mechanical failure. The B-52 is a heavy strategic aircraft designed for long missions and heavy payloads, and reliability is critical. Section 3. Weapons Loading Process. On the flight line, MJ-1 munitions loader vehicles approach the aircraft carrying heavy ordnance. The B-52 can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons. Ground crews carefully load Mark 84 general-purpose bombs, each weighing around 2,000 pounds. These bombs are designed to destroy hardened military targets. Next, AGM-86 cruise missiles are loaded. These missiles can strike targets from long distances with high precision. Then come the GBU-31 JDAM guided bombs, equipped with GPS guidance systems for accurate targeting. Each weapon is mounted carefully onto external pylons or inside the bomb bay. Every connection is checked and secured. Safety and precision are essential. Section 4. The Rotary Launcher System. Inside the bomb bay, the rotary launcher plays a critical role. This cylindrical system holds multiple weapons and rotates to release them in sequence. Instead of opening and closing the bomb bay repeatedly, the launcher rotates automatically. This allows faster and more efficient weapon deployment. Ground crews test the rotation mechanism, ensuring every weapon locks and releases properly. Electrical connections and fire control systems are verified. Only after full testing is the bomber cleared for flight. Section 5. Crew Preparation. While the aircraft is being prepared, the 5-member crew gets ready for the mission. Pilots test their oxygen masks and communication systems. Flight bags are packed with maps, food, water, and survival equipment. The mission will last many hours. Every detail matters. Inside the cockpit, pilots run through the pre-flight checklist. Navigation coordinates are entered, fuel levels are verified, communication systems are tested. On the lower deck, the navigator and radar navigator prepare targeting systems and route planning. The crew must work as a single unit. Coordination is key to mission success. Section 6. Takeoff and mission route. Once everything is ready, the order to depart is given. The B-52 slowly taxis to the runway at RAF Fairfield. All 8 engines power up. The aircraft accelerates down the runway under heavy weight. After a long roll, the aircraft lifts into the sky. The mission route takes the aircraft across Europe and toward the Middle East. This long-range capability allows the B-52 to reach distant targets without forward deployment in combat zones. It's one of the key advantages of strategic bombers. Section 7. Strike Operation. As the bomber approaches the target area, the radar navigator takes control of the weapon system. Target coordinates are verified. Bomb bay doors open. The rotary launcher begins to rotate. Weapons are released in sequence toward assigned targets. Cruise missiles and guided bombs move toward their objectives. Once the payload is released, the bomber turns away and begins its return route. Mission complete. Section 8. Aerial refueling and reinforcements. Meanwhile, another B-52 departs from the United States. Flying across the Atlantic, it meets a K-135 tanker aircraft. The refueling boom connects to the bomber. Fuel flows into the aircraft. After refueling, the bomber continues toward RAF Fairfield. Reinforcements ensure continuous operational readiness. Outro. The deployment of B-52 bombers to RAF Fairfield highlights the strength and global reach of the United States Air Force. With long-range strike capability, precision weapons, and advanced logistics, American strategic bombers remain a key element of military deterrence and regional stability. As tensions continue in the Middle East, the presence of these aircraft sends a clear message of readiness and operational capability. Stay tuned for more military updates and global security analysis.